Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And basically in this device, this developer will not overcomplicate the things. All you have to do in order to change the language is to simply find it and tap on it. So let me pick French. Just tap on it and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Let me show it to you again, however it's not really complicated. Find it, tap on it, and here we've got the English. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.